In the previous video, we discussed the question we should ask ourselves before investing. Today, let's take that conversation one step forward. Many people say, I invest my money in saving account. But investing and saving are not the same thing. Let's understand this with a very simple example. Suppose you have $10,000 and you put this money into the bank saving account. Most banks today give around 2% interest per year. After 1 year, your $10,000 becomes $10,200. On paper, your money has grown, but at the same time, prices are also increasing. Let's say food, rent, travel, everything becomes more expensive each year. This is called inflation, and it is usually around 3 to 4%. So while your money grew by 2%, your expenses grew faster than your saving. This means your money is safe, but its real value is slowing down. Now let's look at the investing. If you take the same $10,000 and invest it for long term, historically, such investment has given around 8% return. After 1 year, your money becomes $10,800. Even after the inflation, your money has actually grown. This is the core difference. Saving protects your money, while investing helps your money grow. Saving is important for safety and emergencies, and investing is important for long-term goal. When the people say they invest in saving account, what they are really doing is saving, not investing. And this clarity is very important, because if you don't understand the difference, you may feel secure today but struggle financially in the future. Here, growth is the goal. See you in next video. Thank you.